Hi everyone, welcome back to Blaine Girls channel. My name is Barbara. I'm so happy that you're here. Today guys, I'm going to share some changes that I did in my bedroom studio for winter. I know you're like, Barbara, you just shared a video. I know, but new things came in, so new changes happened. So let's go. Alrighty, so over here on my desk, this is what I did. Remember I said I was waiting for little blocks of Hello Winter? So I put that there, and there's my little deer. The cute. And there's my other little deer. Love it. I'm going to turn this on. I don't know if it's going to go on with my light, but we'll see. Yep, it does. Let me step back. So that's what I did there. Love that. Everything's the same there. Look what I have now. Isn't that so cute? And I put the brown throw there because it matches perfectly. I love this cotton throw, guys. It's so good. So when I'm sitting here doing my hauls, I'll be warm. So this is from Temu. It's a very soft, beautiful pillow cover. And I think it's two-sided. Yep, it is. And I love all the softer greens in it. It goes perfectly in my space. So I just put him here on my chair. And he's going to be in my videos in the background. Love that. Okay. And the last change I did... Oh no, two more changes. Over here, I decided to put my heart pillow here. Next to my... my poof. My little doggy was running off with my blanket. I know. So, well, that's that. And then I put my snowflake there. And then that's the bed. I know, I changed it up. This is the lighter throw. And there's Mr. Snowman. He's from Temu. And I finally got my tree pillow covers. So I put this on the bed. And I love this here. This is Mr. Snowman. He's from Temu. He's so cute. And he actually matches the pillow cover perfectly. And then down here I put the other pillow. So I removed the sweater one and put that one there. Hopefully you guys can see I kept it soft lighted. Okay, so that's what I did differently in my space. Oh, and this is what arrived. That's my snake plant I said I was waiting for. I put it inside that little basket that had the pothos in it. Has some rocks in it. Let me turn the light on. There's Gracie. Okay. And there's the snake plant. Okay. And see the rocks in it? This is my humidifier. Love this thing. I breathe so much better with it from all the electric heat everywhere. Over there, I put the Live Simply and Enjoy the Little Things right over in that little spot where my shoes are. And I believe I shared that part already. Okay? So that's what I did differently in my space. So I'll be back on here real soon with some try-ons. I know you guys are like, I can't wait to see the try-ons. I know, they're coming, guys. They're coming. Still have sicknesses in our home, and we're all still getting better. So I just wanted to share all my new arrivals. And these are very soft. Very, very soft. I did do my nails, though. I'm getting ready to film soon. And, yeah. See that? That's so cute. I am going to be doing a house tour, my kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and living room, for winter, what I did as well. So stay tuned for that one. And that's what I did. Alrighty, guys. Until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life gives you morsels. Make some hot cocoa. I know my last video, I think I said lemonade. I don't even know if I don't even know if I put that video up. I don't remember. But anyway, so yeah, so this is what I did differently. Let me back away so you could see it. Okay. I know, I just want to give you every angle. Alrighty.